Welcome to Pramit's Toy World. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and Happy New Year 2025. Yeah! Today we are going to unbox some exotic things for the brand new amazing new year. So we are starting with brand new Slinkies. And these are not ordinary Slinkies. I get them all the way from Gujarat, Ahmedabad. So let's start with this one. I'm a bit bad in opening these things, but I got it out. It's this face. Let me unfold it. It opens like this. Seriously satisfying. I seriously don't cry for this satisfaction. Actually, this is really nice. And let me fall it one time. I think that did not work well. But amazing, sneaky. And with that, we have one. Now let's do the other one. The other one's face is, this one's face is like this circle and a smile. This one is something like that. I feel it very satisfying. Amazingly great. Mesmerizing. Now we have two friends. They are going for the camera. Yay! 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 Great, they are not able to catch the camera at this time. Now, the next thing we are going to unbox is the brand new Miniso Plushy. Bo 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 bo. It's a boba. Boba 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 boba. A boba? What?
Which version of boba is this?
It is a chocolate one. It's a chocolate boba.
I feel it's a coffee boba.
I still feel it's a chocolate boba.
Alright.
It's a chocolate boba.
And the squish meter, how is it?
And on the squish meter, I see this a 10 out of 10. And the bounce meter, see this. That was a nice bounce. That was a nice bounce. We do not see that.
One
That
more.
was bad. Let me show you again. Oh my god, it was going to move out of there. I think it's going for the camera. 1, 2, boom! Camera, sorry for your camera that your camera accidentally got hit like this. That was seriously like a comedy movie. I want to show you something very funny. Oh,